Okay, Salmon Nation. Hey, people have been asking me about my phone mount on my bike. So check this out. This is my phone mount right here. That's a light mount. And some people have said, hey, I like your phone mount. You know, where did you get it? Well, I got it right here. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make a phone mount out of the reflector that comes with your bike. It works pretty good. You'd be surprised. All right, so if you want to make a phone mount out of a reflector, here's what you're going to need. First and foremost, you're going to need the reflector. And I use this velcro. I think you can get it at Meijer, Walmart, or wherever you decide to shop. It's pretty simple. This is just a piece. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then I'm using basically this just knife here, and that kind of helps you break the seal along the edge. And then once you've broken that seal along the edge, I use a short little stubby screwdriver. And as you kind of get a little bit of a notch cut in there, then you can pop it. And it usually comes off pretty simply. All right, so I'm not gonna actually destroy this reflector because I do want to keep it, but you can see that this reflector right here, it's pretty seamless as this piece pops off. You put your little X-Acto knife right in there and kind of cut and push and push and push until you get just a little bit of a, a little bit of a hole in there, a little bit of a cut. And then you take your stubby screwdriver, kind of pop it in there. And what I kind of did is I just held it firm and just kind of popped it like that. Or you can kind of see I've just kind of hit it with my hand a few times. And maybe you need to make another cut on each side and it'll pop off. And then you just take your Velcro, which is pretty much super strong. I don't know if you can see the name on there, but it just says Velcro brand, right? Pretty simple. And I put the the rough side on this. So even if, I didn't have a piece that fit, I could piece it together with a few other sides. And then I put this right on my phone. So I guess you kind of have to be okay with putting that on your phone or on your phone case. My phone case wasn't that expensive, so I just put it on there. Okay, so you've got your phone right here. You just put the Velcro on the back, and then it sticks right to the phone mount here. And it's really surprising, how strong it is. So, and I'll show you some video clips of me riding with it and how good it does. So, hey, stay stoked to Michigan, friends.
Hey, thanks for watching. This weekend we didn't do too many adventurous things. Well, okay, we went kite surfing, but we did chop a lot of wood. We had a log splitter, and we had a huge log stack by the end of the day on Saturday and Sunday, so that was awesome. But hey, stay stoked to Michigan, friends. Get out there, do your best. The phone mount's a great way to get your phone on your bike if you need a quick fix before you get something for real. But yeah, shoot me some comments and let me know how it goes or pictures, and let me know how it works for you if you try it. Thanks for watching. Stay stoked to Michigan.